Oh, hi guys. Welcome to the channel. My name is Tony. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I want to talk to you guys about what I've been wanting to do for the longest time. So here I have a VR6 3.2 engine out of a Mark V R32. And I've been wanting to build this engine to an R30 for some boosting application. I did not want to go with the spacers, got a 2.8 forged crank out of a 24 valve from the junkyard. So for the crank, 12 valve, 24 valve, it does not matter, they are the same. They are forged, anything that's pre 2003 up to 2003 are forged in the 2.8 engine. So went to the junkyard. My best friend helped me pull out this crank. So these are the forged crank that I have, this one, and I want to throw into the block, which makes it an R30. So 2.8 crank with a 3.2 engine is an R30 engine. Yesterday I came across, or I went to pick up these Scat connecting rods that I found on Facebook Market. I took a gamble on them. Didn't know if they were authentic or genuine, but I forgot my tool to take off the APR bolt that was on the rods. So when I was doing my research, the Scat connecting rods will have the APR bolt stamped with the Scat 2000 bolts on there. That's what I saw. It also stated that it should have the dowels pins inside the cap. So when I got there, I realized I forgot my tool to take out those APR bolts. So I took a gamble on them. I did get a good price on them, so hopefully I did not get ripped off. So let's open up these Scat connecting rods and see if they have the dowels pins in them. The parts number I looked up, which is 26457-2125-787-786, as you guys can see here on the box. So those numbers do correspond to the 3.2 engine application. The 6457 is the rod length of the 3.2 engine. The journal diameter is 2.125, so that's the journal diameter. The big end width is 787 of an inch, and the pin size is 786, which is 20 millimeter for the pistons. So I did look up those numbers and they do correspond. Just hopefully they do have the the dowels pins in them, and this is not just a Chinese knockoff that's being sold in a Scat connecting rod box. Hopefully they're not. I should have brought my tool. I was almost there and realized I forgot them. So let's open these up now to just double check if they have the dowel pins in the caps. I could not untie them or unscrew them with my hand, otherwise I would have done so. They were tight on there pretty snug. So I'm gonna show you off these bolts right here once I take these off. They do have the stamp on them. That's why I took a gamble. I don't know if you guys can see, but here, let's see here. It does have the APR. Let's see if that can focus. The APR Scat 2000 stamped on there. So I took a gamble. I checked all the bolts. They all have those stamped on them. Hopefully I did not get ripped off, like I said. I did get a really good deal on these. Yes, look at that, guys. I am very excited. I am super stoked that I did not get ripped off, thank God. These, as you can see, there's the dowel pins in the caps that just make the mating to the rods precise. So these do look very genuine. Let's open up the other one. So I'm gonna do that with the entire 6 connecting rods, but I don't want to bore you guys to death with that. So let's just open up these 2 first and see if they have the dowel pins in this one as well. I am very excited. I do want to put this engine into the V6 chassis that I have. It's an A4 Avant. But eventually I'm gonna remove the whole shell and put something else different on there. Although I do really love fast wagon, I am going to put a different body on there. All right, there it is. So it looks like these are very genuine. They have the dowel pins on both end of the caps, and they made to the connecting rod very precise. I am super happy that I did not get ripped off. Now I'm in the market for some pistons. I don't know what to get. I can either do JE pistons. That's one of my options that I do want to go with. Wiseco, I also heard is some good pistons that they make. So yep, so I want to just show you guys what I'm up to. Hopefully I will start this journey this year. This is 2006. Happy New Year's to everyone as well. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.